teacher and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I, Zishan Ahmad Gil from class 6, stand here in front of you to deliver a speech on the very important topic. Hard work is a key to success. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dear audience, as you all know that life is full of risk and chance. Everyone has to try hard to get success. Hard work is obligate for success. Dear audience, hard work beats talent. What talent doesn't work hard. Talent is cheap as the tables are. What separate talent is individual from a success is hard work. हार और जीत तो अपने अंदर होती है. हार और जीत तो अपने अंदर होती है. मान लो तो हार है, ठान लो तो जीत है. Dear audience, as you